Trying to delete a tax rate in Zoho Books but can't find how? Watch this quick walkthrough to remove any tax rate in under 2 minutes. I'll show you each menu step, from opening settings to confirming the deletion. Let's get started. Start by opening Zoho Books from your app launcher or browser tab. Then click on the Settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Now, under the Settings menu, select Taxes. From the Taxes section, go ahead and click on Tax Rates to see the list of existing tax rates. Click the checkbox to select. Click the Delete button. Click OK to confirm. Check that the tax rate is deleted. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.